Every second counts when someone enters your property uninvited. GuardVision's AI instantly detects motion, flagging it for immediate human review. Our Texas-based monitoring team verifies every alert in real time. No third parties, no delays, just trained professionals protecting your property. Instant deterrence, live voice warnings and sirens deployed the moment a threat is confirmed.
Intruder! Intruder! Leave this place immediately!
If the threat persists, we call the police. Your property stays protected every time.
GuardVision, protecting you around the clock. Visit guardvision.com or call us today.